We got motion, we getting money, and we got a straight 8 and a motherfucker. Took him on a high speed. We see Charger, straight 8, 5 speed, 175 miles per hour top speed. Why the fuck he just stopped like that? He think cause he stopped, the cop gonna stop and just keep going? Think again, motherfucker. They still want your stupid ass. It's 2011, 2014. Okay, he stopped at the light. He took him off. He took him on a high speed right here, early. Straight 8. I don't know if this is a real SRT, so don't be in my comment section D-Round, fo. Word. But that shit is Gapplebee's early. Like, stupid early. Yeah, SRT with no license plate? Why you had no license plate, for? You wildin'. Like, y'all make yourself wanna get pulled over, bro. Like, why you got no license plate? You could at least had a fake one on, bro. You could have stole one. I don't get people, bro. If you gonna do this shit, do it. At least look some sort of legit. What the fuck he just do? Nigga went into the grass? What the hell? Look like he almost crashed out just now. I'm bugging. Damn, we can't even get all these videos in right now. This is my last one, fo. And I gotta chill. Take a chill pill. Gotta edit a few videos. So go over to my main channel. Check out the vlog. We traveling all over the country. Tommy. What happened? He lost him, bro. How you just lose him? Like, these niggas can't get up with them. Niggas can't. SRT shit. They escape easy. Less than 2 minutes, bro. I was just reacting to that one. Go check out the last video if you haven't. The blackout charger. The blackout charger's been going crazy on here. I ain't gonna lie. And they not Hellcat. They regular chargers. Regular challenger scat packs. Alright, we got another one right here. They don't need a fast car to get away, bro. It's the driver, bro. I'm telling you.
Way and ends up creating an opening for you. So again, I'm not going to talk your ear off. Let's get to that second chase.
Gee, please. I don't know what kind of type of 392. Little scat. Little V6. He follow him like y'all be doing it mad weird, bro. Why you spinning around in a circle following him, bro? Run his play, do what you gotta do. Pull him over if this shit wrong. But he ran right through the parking lot though. Buddy really knew what it was hitting for already. He knew what it was. Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way. Bro, I just put you on 720p. Why are you still lagging? Don't get me tight, boy. Don't get me tight because you still lagging. After I literally just clicked on it in the middle of the video. I know y'all saw that. I'm put on 1,000 HP horsepower. Shit better work. Get into it, man. Come on. Lock in, man. Lock in, man. Oh yeah, he on that highway. He already knew what it was. Oh, this Memphis. They straight in Memphis with it. Check out the vlog, man. We in Memphis with it soon too. Little Rock, Memphis, Arkansas, all that shit. All that shit next to each other. Took him on the Highspeed in front. This should be fun to me. Should be fun to me. Damn. I don't see the Challenger no more, bro. He had the weak ass charges out. V6 had ass. The Challenger gone. How you just let it get up out of there already? Oh, my shit lagging. Shit lagging bad, bro. Pause it. Cause where's the charger even at? The Challenger. Shit green. Bumblebee. I don't see that motherfucker. I don't see Shorty. Shorty is gone, bro. How you let Shorty get away in a V6? I told y'all it's the driver. It's never the car. You got a trackie right there, so we're gonna react to that next time. We got motion, we get my hand. We out.